Hello friends, welcome to Oracle 26 AI new feature video series. In this video, we are going to learn about a new class introduced as part of SQL from 26 AI onwards, which is the qualify class. So before I start with the actual demo for qualify class, I want to show you two more examples, one for where class and one for having class, so that with the context of the usage of where and having, it is easy for us to understand the qualify class. Let's start with the demo. So here is a very simple query which is trying to fetch the employee number, e-name and department from employee table. Suppose if I want to get only the employees working in department 20, we will simply say where department number equal to 20. So basically the where class will help us to filter the data based on the department number. Suppose I want to fetch one more data, like I want to find the department whose total salary is more than 9,000. Let's try to write a query for that. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to first find the department wise total salary. For that, we can simply say department wise sum of salary, right? Since it is a aggregate function we are using, and I'm saying group by department number, right? We just got the total salary department wise, and my expectation is I want to find the department whose salary is more than, let's say, 9,000. So what we will do, we will say having sum of salary greater than 9,000. So basically what happens here is having class as well as where class is almost doing a similar operation. That is, where class helps us to filter the data which is present in the table. That is based on the department number we are trying to filter. Having class is also almost doing a very similar data, but having class help us to filter based on the aggregated data. So basically having class we will use whenever we are using the aggregate function like sum, count, max, min, average. We use this having class to filter. So basically both where as well as having help us to filter, but the way how it filters differs. Where will help us to filter based on the direct data which is present in the table. Having will help us to filter based on the computed data, that is aggregated data. Okay, now let us see one more example. I want to find the employee number and department where the department's total salary is more than 9,000. So in this case, I don't need only the department. I want, along with this department, I want the employee number also. Let's see how to write this. From there, we'll try to understand the usage of qualify class. So basically now I need department. I need basically the employee number, department and total salary. So for that I can use the window function. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm trying to find employee number, department and the total salary, and the total salary I want partition by department number. Partition by department number. So this is our total salary, that is department wise salary. So in this case, I need the employees whose department's total salary is more than 9,000. So in this case, we actually cannot put something like this, where sum of this is greater than 9,000. So this will not work because we are not using the group function. And of course, we cannot use having also. If we try to use having, it will say window function are not allowed here. So one workaround here is that what we can do, we can say select employee number, department number, and let me take the total salary from employee where total salary is greater than 9,000. So this will work, right? So basically what we are doing is we are using the window function to compute the total salary, that is grouped by department number, and in the outer query we are just putting a where condition to filter the employees whose department's total salary is greater than 9,000, right? Now we will modify this query to use the qualify class. This is where the actual qualify class comes in. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, right, so now I'm just going to remove this as well as this. Instead of where, I'm just going to say qualify. Right, now you can see the usage of qualify. The way having class help us to filter based on the aggregate function. Qualify class will help us to filter based on the window function. So this is the main usage of qualify class. So just to summarize, where class will help us to filter based on the data which is present in the row. Having class will help us to filter based on the computer, that is aggregate function, based on the computed aggregate function. Similarly, qualify class will help us to filter based on the window function. So here is the quick summary of what we have learned. So as I already mentioned, where class will help us to filter based on the data which is present in the table. Having class will help us to filter based on the output of aggregate function. Similarly, qualify class will help us to filter based on the window function. If you have learned something new, please like this video. If you have any questions, please drop in the comment section or you can drop to this mail ID. And thanks a lot for watching this video.